Hello folks, welcome back to the Java training sessions. Today we will discuss about what are the different types of operators available in Java. Okay, operators are nothing but we will simply say plus. Arithmetic operators are there like plus, minus and all. Like that we have different types of operators. Mainly if you see there are 8 different types of operators we have. The first one is unary operator, and the second one arithmetic operator, third one shift operator, third one relation operator, for the fourth one, fifth one is bitwise operator, sixth comes to logical operator, and the seventh is very important ternary operator, and the final is coming which is assignment operator. So let's see one by one. Okay, so first let me create a class, let's say which is operators. Operators. Okay, operators is a class I'm going to create to demonstrate these operators. Okay, in this I'm going to create a main method. So once you create a main method, so first, what is the first operator we have discussed? That is unary operator. Okay, so let's see what is unary operator. We know this int data type, right? Int let's say num equal to, let's say 10 as a number. Okay, so I assigned the num variable as a value 10. So to demonstrate unary operators, so unary operators are basically two things, that is increment and decrement. In that increment and decrement, again we have two, pre-increment and post-increment. So first of all we will see what is increment. So let's say if you want to print this one incremented value, that is num plus plus, it is this number is given in the first, and if we give this plus plus, this is the operator, plus plus is the operator, that is unary operator. We are doing post increment, means after the num we are incrementing, that is called post increment. Then it will print the value 10. Why? Because we are printing the number first and then we are incrementing, that's why it will print the value 10. Okay, let me print again. So if you print num here, what it will print now? So though the number will be like it was incremented in the 6th line, so the number will be incremented to 11. So 11 will print here. Let's see the demonstration. So let me run. Okay, you can see here in the first out statement is what printed 10, in the second it was printed 11. Why? Because it was incremented here. Let me write the pre-increment. Okay, which means plus plus num, which means I am incrementing previously and then I am going to print this one. If you see this one, the 11 becomes incremented to 12, then I am printing this. So it will print 12. You can see here, this is the value printed. Okay, 12 is printed. This is nothing but the first one is post increment, the second one is pre increment. So same like we will see decrement. Okay, so if you give minus minus, now guess the value what is printed in the console and do comment in the comment section. Okay, so let's see what the value will print. So you can see 12 is printed. Why the 12 is printed? Why? Because still the number is 12. After this, after printing, it was decremented. So when I print again, you can see the value to 11 here. Why? Because from 12 one number is decrement is happened, so now it will become 11 here. So if you pre-decrement, if you pre-decrease the value, let's see what it happens. So you can see here, now it will print 10. Why? Because the 11 is decremented to one value, then it becomes, it was printed, then it becomes 10. This is the brief description regarding this unary operator. In unary operator we have increments and decrements. In increment we have pre-increment and post-increment. In decrement we have pre-decrement and post-decrement. This is the regarding the unary operator. One more important operator I think I said, right, that is assignment operator. Okay, which is nothing but this equal to is a assignment operator. We are going to assign this value, that's why it's a assignment operator. So this variable name is there num, this value is there 10, so we are going to assign this value 10 into this num. This is nothing but a assignment operator. Okay, this equal to we will call as a assignment operator. Now the next we will see what are the different types of arithmetic operators we have. As we are if you are a math student, you know that the what are the assignment operators, that is plus, minus, into, division and modular division. Okay, let's see the example. So let's say assignment operators, these are unary operators, OPRATORS. Okay, unary operators. So if you see assignment operators, let's take a number. Int number 1 is equal to 20. Let's take another number, number 2 equal to, let's say 30. Okay, if you want to add this number, we will use one of the arithmetic operator, that is plus, which indicates the addition. Okay, let's say we are going to add. Okay, into add is equal to num1 plus number 2. You can see what is the result, 20 plus 30. You are going taking here, in the number 1 it is stored 20, in the number 2 the value is stored as 30. So 20 plus 30, so this will do addition and it will store in the add variable. So if you see the result of this, you can see what is the value it will come. The expected value will be 50. Okay, let's see. You can see here addition is 50. This is one of the arithmetic operator, addition. Okay, let's see one more. So int sub, which means subtraction. Let's say number 2 minus number 1. Why? Because if you give number 1 minus 2, it gives you negative number. That's why I'm taking a positive number. Number 2 minus number 1. If you print here, what will be the expected result? 10 will be the expected result, correct? Let's see whether it is giving or not. Sub. Okay, let's take and run this project. You can see here 10 is the expected result, that what we got. Okay, then next one more operator, that is multiplication. Okay, let's say mul number 1 into number 2. If you see, what will be the result? 23 is 600, it must be, right? So let's see. So it will be mul. Let me run this one. You can see here, yes, 600 became. Why? Because 20 into 30, which is the value of 600. Okay, so next one more, that is int division. Division, that is num2 by num1. Let's see the result, what it will print. That is div. Okay, so let's see the result. What is it is giving the result of div. You can see here 1 is the division of 30 by 20. Okay, why? Because 1 is nothing but the quotient. Okay, so next what we will see, we will see modular division. It will gives you, this division will gives you quotient. Now the division is modular division, which will gives you the remainder. Let's see, number 2 by number 1. Modular division is nothing but percentage. Okay, let's see the result. Say mod here too. Here you can see this 10. This is the remainder which we got. Okay, so these are the 5 arithmetic operators we have. We will see the rest of the operators, that is bitwise operators, logical operators, the main important ternary operator, in the next class.